India is known for many things, and one of them is temples. Today, we are exploring one of the ancient temples from the southern part of India called Thirunelli Temple, located in Wayanad district in the state of Kerala. Thirunelli Temple is believed to be over 1000 years old. This ancient Hindu temple, dedicated to Lord Maha Vishnu, it is situated on the slopes of the Brahmagiri Hills. History depicts Chera king Kulashekaran built this temple. He lived between AD 767 and AD 834. After a brief reign, he gave away the throne and started missionary work to propagate Vaishnava order. Legend says Brahma, while traversing the world on his swan, got attracted by the beauty of the area. Then he landed on a hill which is later known as Brahmagiri. Lord Brahma, while walking through the surrounding hills, saw an idol of Lord Vishnu resting on an amla or gooseberry tree. Soon he installed the deity with a request to Lord Vishnu that he should remain in this area to give peace to the human souls. Lord Vishnu assured that the rivers around this temple would wash away the sins of humans during their mortal life and life after death. Brahma entrusted two pious Brahmins of the Amalaka village for its maintenance. He also instructed them that every day he himself visit the place and do service to Vishnu. This association gives the temple its name, Thirunelli, deriving from Nelli, the Malayalam word for gooseberry. The temple is also referred to as Sahyamalaga Kshetram and Kashi of the south. Worship takes place 5 times a day, from morning till night. The priest prepares for a sixth worship before leaving the place. It was believed to be the sixth worship was done none other than Lord Brahma. Thirunelli Temple is the only temple in the world where the devotees can perform all the rituals related to one's life, starting from birth to death and life after death. Constructed in the traditional Kerala architectural style, the temple features a tiled roof and an open courtyard. Granite pillars surround the sanctum, and a granite lamppost stands at the entrance. And it seems the cloister work was never completed. The steps at the back of the temple leads to the tank Panchatheertham. It is believed that Panchatheertham at one point of time was a meeting point of 5 rivers. But today, most of the water dried up, and the only remaining attraction is the footsteps of Vishnu, which can be seen in the middle of the tank. A significant aspect of Thirunelli Temple is the Papanasini stream, located a few hundred meters from the temple. Pilgrims perform ancestral rites on its banks, believing that the holy waters can absolve sins and aid the souls of the departed. Rituals such as Balitarpana and Oralpindam are conducted here. It is a ritual of offering food and water to ancestors. to seek their blessing and help them attain liberation. These offerings reach the souls of the ancestors and free them from earthly bonds. Performed annually on new moon days or during the death anniversary of ancestors. It is believed that river Ganga and river Saraswati join in Papanasini. Therefore, Papanasini is called the southern Kashi. Papanasini has an interesting story to reveal. When Brahma was consecrating Vishnu's idol, Garuda reached over the sky above the installation venue with Amrit Kumpha or pot of nectar. During Garuda's circling over, a drop of nectar fell on the stream, which provided purifying power to the water in the stream. After that incident, the stream came to be called Papanasini. This is a small sanctum or deity located near a temple called Gunnika, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Thus, Thirunelli becomes blessed by the unique presence of all the members of the Trinity. The story behind the Aqueduct of Thirunelli Temple is fascinating. The wife of Chirakal Raja, who was a member of the famous Varikara Nayanar Tharavad, came with her attendants to temple to worship. She asked the priest for some water to dissolve the sandal, which he was not able to give. She came to know about the water scarcity in the temple, and she asked her attendants to solve the problem. They found out the water source in the forest. From there, the water was bought using bamboo halves for immediate use. She was the one who took the initiative to construct the present stone aqueduct to bring uninterrupted water supply to the temple. The granite open channels are supported by pillars with interesting murals carved on. Hope you have enjoyed our content. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up to support us, and if you have any queries, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Peace.